Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, and this is how to remove old adhesive from ceramic tile. Now, when would you need to remove old adhesive from ceramic tile? Probably most often it's required when you're redoing loose or broken bathroom wall tile. Let's say you have to replace a shower body in a wall. You have to get the plumbing behind it, or the tile's loose, it's leaking, and you have to remove the tile and reset the tile. Well, you get something like this. Now, this is a tile that's been removed from drywall, and you'll notice that the paper coating on the drywall actually stayed adhered to the adhesive and ripped off. So, you know, how do we go about cleaning off this tile for reinstallation? This is exactly what I'm going to walk you through. Okay, so I filled the bucket up with warm water and I'm going to drop the tile in it. You don't have to put any cleaners or anything in it. So basically what the water's doing is it's dissolving the paper and the adhesive. I'm going to let that sit in there for about an hour or so. A bucket this size would be ideal, especially because typically you would replace more than one tile. For our demonstration, we're just going to use one tile. Notice the bubbling on the tiles? That's the adhesive and the paper breaking down on the water. Coming back about an hour later, I see that the adhesive is soft, the paper's loose in my hand, so I'm going to begin scraping it. So this might give you a little bit of a hard time. Scrape it all off. Again, you want a nice clean surface for re-adhesion. One last thing, you just want to note, you want to make sure that the residual grout sometimes dries to the edge of the tile here. You want to just make sure that that's completely clean so you're ready to reinstall. And that's exactly where we're at, ready to reinstall our tile. This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, helping you build a better life. So reach out to me on Facebook at the Home Source Guy.